Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing one of my projects wherein I have integrated HubSpot with Laravel. By utilizing both Laravel and HubSpot, we have ensured that managing the communication become more efficient in Yobi app. Let me first begin with the client's requirement. The client wanted us to connect the Yobi app with HubSpot using Laravel. He wanted us to create a button on the Laravel app that seamlessly syncs all HubSpot contacts. Apart from this, client wanted us to sync all the call logs and messages of Yobi on HubSpot. This would help him to see all the detailed calls and messages in HubSpot. Before beginning with demo video, let me provide a brief overview of both HubSpot and Laravel. HubSpot is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform that brings the whole marketing world together in one integrated system to help businesses manage relationships with clients effectively. On the other hand, Laravel is a PHP-based web framework for building high-end web applications using its significant and graceful syntaxes. In addition, it comes with a robust collection of tools and provides application architecture. To help with the client's requirement, we developed a Laravel application as a bridge between Yobi and HubSpot. With this, we synced all contacts of HubSpot in the Yobi app. Not just this, we even synced all call logs, recordings, messages sent via the Yobi app, which were then visible on HubSpot. Now, let me take you through the execution process of fulfilling our client's requirement. First, go to your Laravel app and log in. Next, provide your stats and click Login. Now you are in the Laravel app. Let's connect this to the Yobi dashboard. By clicking Yobi authorization, you will be required to provide the username and password of the Yobi dashboard app. It can then be connected with HubSpot. Now, click on the authorized. Now your HubSpot and Yobi dashboard are connected. Now let's move to the functionality. If you create a contact in HubSpot, it will also get created in the Yobi dashboard app. And if you delete any account of your contact from HubSpot, it also gets deleted from the Yobi app. Also, there is one more thing that you must keep in mind. If you make a call, a message from Yobi dashboard app will appear. Like here, we have sent, "Hey, hope everything's alright on your side." So, if you click on the sync call log data on HubSpot in the Laravel app, it brings all your communications, messages, calls into HubSpot. With this, you can easily check the conversation made and at what time by clicking on the contact. In the activity, you can see all the messages that you have provided. You can also check the notes for specific messages. Moreover, if you want to check the calls, you can go to the call logs. Let me tell you about the results achieved. First, we developed a Laravel app with the user authentication where one can register and log in themselves. Second, we created call APIs to sync all HubSpot contacts in the Yobi app. Lastly, we synced all the contacts, messages, call recordings, etc. via APIs of Yobi app to HubSpot. That was all about this project. Are you looking for out-of-the-box integration and app development solution for your business? We at ForceBolt ensure that we assist you in making your businesses grow with your in-depth digital strategy. Our team of professional app developers serve their clients with the best combination of quality and innovation. So, get in touch with us now.